The section I will be doing is 8.3, which is dividing polynomials. Okay, so when you're dividing a polynomial, it will always be given to you in a fraction form. So an example of this would be x squared plus 6x minus 10 over x plus 2. So you'll take the denominator and you'll put that on the outside. And then you'll take the numerator and put that on the inside. Okay, so then you want to see what you have to multiply by this. Well, you want to multiply by x plus 2 to get x squared, which would just be x. So you'll put that over 6x. And then you will multiply x plus 2 by x. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x, so plus 2x. And you'll subtract this from this, so you'll have to distribute the negative. So these will cancel out. And this will be 4x. Carry down the negative 10. And then you want to see what you have to multiply by x plus 2 to get 4x. So x times 4, so plus 4, is 4x. And 2 times 4 is 8. Then you'll want to subtract and distribute the negative, so these will cancel out. And this will become a negative 8, so negative 10 plus negative 8 is negative 18. This is my remainder. So then you'll take your answer on top, x plus 4, and put the remainder, so plus negative 18, over top of x plus 2, your original denominator. So it will remain your denominator of the remainder. So this is your answer for the first example. For the second example, the example will be 2a cubed plus a minus 3 over a plus 2. So, you notice that in this one, the exponents go from 2, 1 to 1. So they go in order, but this one, it's the exponent third, and then it skips the second exponent, goes right to the first. So you have to make sure that you put, when you're writing it out in long division form, that you put, you express the squared, the exponent 2. So, for example, you'll take this and go 2a cubed plus 0 a squared. So then because if you don't put that in, then your answer will be different. And then you continue plus a minus 3, and you'll put the denominator on the outside. So then you have to see what you have to multiply by. A is a plus 2 to get 2a cubed, and that would be 2a squared. So you put it over the squared. And you multiply this, so 2a squared times a is 2a cubed. 2a squared times 2 is positive 4a squared. Then you will subtract these, distribute the negative. These will cancel out. And this is just negative 4a squared. Carry down the a plus a. See what you have to multiply by a plus 2 to get negative 4a squared. And that would be negative 4a. So minus 4a. And then you subtract this. Multiply, excuse me. Negative 4a times a is negative 4a squared. Negative 4a times 2 is negative 8a. Subtract and distribute the negative. These will cancel out. This will become positive 8a. So then it's 9a. Carry down the negative 3. And see what you have to multiply by a plus 2 to get 9a. So, a times 9, so positive 9, is 9a. 9 times 2 plus 18. Distribute the negative. These will cancel out. And then you end up with negative 21. So then you take your answer on the top. 2a squared minus 4a plus 9, and take your remainder plus negative 21 over your original denominator, a plus 2. And that would be your answer for the second example. Okay.